With 65 years of innovation, PDSI delivers solutions you can trust. Established in 1955, Production Design Services Incorporated has grown steadily by meeting our customers' evolving needs. Our plant now encompasses 160,000 square feet of engineering, fabrication, machining, panel build, and assembly. PDSI sets the standard for development and delivery of turnkey automation and robotic systems. Our engineering, manufacturing, and technical staffing capabilities have an unparalleled reputation for providing cost-effective solutions to complex manufacturing challenges. PDSI doesn't just promise outstanding solutions. Our clients and partners recognize the value of our relationship. PDSI was recognized by Honda in 2017 with an award for outstanding value, and by FANUC in 2019 for outstanding sales growth. More than 65 years of engineering success makes PDSI an ideal partner for manufacturing automation. From concept development through implementation, PDSI keeps customers coming back for solutions you can trust.